Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sewing machine that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Singer 7258 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Singer 7258 is an extremely versatile sewing machine that's available for a reasonable price. Although it's a computerized model, it's straightforward enough for beginners to use. Features include more than 200 stitches, including basic and decorative, stretch stitches, and 6 one-step buttonholes. The machine comes with 4 presser feet, and automatically sets stitch length and width for optimal performance. The sewing machine is provided with 100 built-in stitches, making fashion sewing, home and decorative sewing, quilting, crafting and heirloom sewing easier. Thanks to its heavy-duty metal frame, it has long-lasting durability. The computerized sewing machine with large LCD screen provides clear and easy viewing of your selected stitches, including stitch length and stitch width. Stitch length and width can be adjusted to customize as desired for your projects. This sewing machine has a ton of other features like 6-segment feeding system, built-in reverse, horizontal threading, programmable needle up, down, electronic start and stop, automatic bobbin winding clutch, extra high presser foot lifter, speed control and automatic presser foot pressure control. There's also an automatic needle threader and an LED light, plus it comes with a variety of other accessories, including multiple bobbins, needles, a seam ripper, and more. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Janome Basic Sewing Machine. You can hem pants, mend rips, and complete small sewing projects with this inexpensive compact machine from Janome. The mechanical design offers 18 stitch options, including straight, zigzag, and crescent, plus it's easy to move around at only 5 pounds. It's available in a wide range of bright colors, and it has threading diagrams and a drop-in bobbin that make it easy to set up and start using. The machine only comes with 1 presser foot, but it does have a small drawer where you can store accessories, like the included needle threader. This line of machines is designed for entry-level, beginning sewing and quick-fix projects. Offering multiple stitch options, these machines are perfect for kids, dorm and apartment living, and traveling. It tackles household sewing tasks including hemming, mending, crafts, scrapbooking and paper crafting, etc. Once you master the basics, it may be time to move on to more full-featured models like the Janome Colorful Series, Arctic Crystal, Blue Couture and Pink Sorbet. In order to achieve best stitching results, fabric weights, quality of thread, tension settings and checking your proper threading both upper and lower may be necessary to ensure the best stitch results. At number 3, we have the Brother XM 2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM 2701 has a straightforward mechanical design that's easy enough for beginners to use. There are 27 stitches to choose from on the front knob, and the model features an automatic needle threader and a drop-in top bobbin to prevent jamming. Other highlights include a built-in free arm that helps you sew cuffs and sleeves, and there are 6 sewing feet for buttonholes, zippers, zigzags, narrow hems, blind stitching, and button sewing. There's also a handy automatic bobbin winding system. This Brother machine is perfect for multiple everyday sewing projects. Featuring a full range of user-friendly features and a lightweight design, the Brother XM 2701 is perfect for beginners who are learning to sew and more advanced sewers who are looking for versatility. The Brother XM 2701 sewing machine offers 27 built-in stitches including blind hem, decorative, and quilting stitches with an automatic one-step buttonholer for virtually perfect buttonholes. The XM 2701 has been engineered for easy use, featuring 6 quick-change sewing feet, including buttonhole, zipper, zigzag, narrow hemmer, blind stitch, and button sewing feet. Users will enjoy the ease of sewing cuffs, sleeves, and pant legs with the built-in free arm. Another major plus is that machine is backed by an impressive 25-year warranty. The only caveat is that it doesn't feature speed control. At number 2, we have the Janome MC6650 sewing and quilting machine. The Janome MC6650 sewing and quilting machine is a splurge, but it's ideal if you're planning to sew large quilts. It features 172 built-in stitches, a needle plate that changes with the touch of a button, and an easy top-loading bobbin system, plus a bright LCD screen that shows you everything about your selections and settings, and offers recommendations for which foot to use for each stitch. It also has a built-in needle threader, a 7-piece feed dog system, and an extra-large throat to accommodate your project. Other highlights include 9 automatic one-step buttonholes, both block and script alphabets, and an industrial-style thread tension control. The sewing machine comes with 12 presser feet and loads of accessories, like 6 bobbins, a multi-pack of needles, and a quilting guide, just to name a few. And finally at number 1, we have the Juki HCLF 600 full-sized computer sewing and quilting machine. If you're going to splurge on a sewing machine, the Juki HCLF 600 is worth the extra cost. This computerized model is extremely versatile and can be used for sewing, quilting, and more. The Juki HCLF 600 comes with an extension table, as well as 12 presser feet. It features 225 stitches, 16 buttonholes, and 4 fonts, and it features a memory function to save up to 70 patterns. It also offers manual and automatic tension settings, and you have the option to drop the feed dogs for free motion quilting or sewing. Another bonus is quick access to 10 of the most popular sewing patterns, including the applique stitch and blanket stitch.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.